I join you from our flagship event here at the Londoner Hotel, where we've been talking all about becoming Frontier. What does it actually take to become Frontier, and why now? AI is happening, it's not a bolt-on, it's part of a core operating model shift. Over 80% of organizations are already trialing some sort of agentic capabilities within their organizations. Number of customers shared credible, real stories, which really helps others understand where they are on their path, some of the pitfalls or opportunities to accelerate things, and really to get the most out of some of these AI investments and technology investments more broadly. The research suggests that by the time we reach 2028, that over 1.3 billion agents will be in production and being used every day. So with that fleet of agents becoming a reality, when are you going to start engaging and making your fleet serve your purposes?